Hello friends, in this video, I will explain how to do the correct calibration of the infrared sensors. Without proper calibration of the sensors, the robot will not follow the line correctly. Or sometimes, it can just go in circles without following the line. In this video, I will explain step by step how you can properly calibrate the infrared sensors so that the robot follows the line correctly. For calibration of the sensor, just lift the backside of the robot slightly so that the wheels are not touching the floor. The front wheel can be kept touching the floor so that the sensor is just at the correct height from the line. Switch on the robot. Now slide the robot and keep the infrared sensor on top of the line. If the right light in the sensor is on, when you keep the sensor over the black line and outside the black line, keep the sensor on the black line and slowly turn the knob anticlockwise so that the right light just turns off. When the right light just turns off, you have to stop rotating the knob right there. This is the detection crossover point. If the right light in the sensor is off, when you keep the sensor over the black line and outside the black line, keep the sensor outside the black line and slowly turn the knob clockwise so that the right light just turns on. When the light just turns on, you have to stop rotating the knob right there. If the infrared sensor is correctly calibrated, when the sensor is on the black line, the right light in the sensor should turn off, and when the sensor is outside the black line, the right light in the sensor should turn on. You have to follow these steps and do the calibration of both the infrared sensors. Once you have done the calibration of the sensors, the robot will follow the line correctly. Please follow these instructions for proper detection of the line. Make sure that the infrared transmitter and receiver bulbs are not touching each other. There should be a small gap between them, as shown here. Also, for more efficient detection of the line, you can tilt the IR sensor to the front by around 20 to 30 degrees. This will improve the detection of the line. Most importantly, always draw the line with a thick black tape on a very light background. After adjusting the knob, slide IR sensor over and out of the line to see if the sensor is detecting line correctly. If it is not detecting line properly, rotate the knob clockwise or anti-clockwise about the detection crossover point extremely slowly, in small steps, till proper line detection is achieved. These steps may seem a bit complicated, but if you do the sensor calibration by following these instructions carefully, the robot will follow the line correctly.